Hello everyone, welcome to GEPL Capital. In today's session, we will guide you how to place SIP orders in the GPL Pro Markets app. After you log into the app, on the bottom of the main screen, you can see the second option, that is orders. Once you click on it, you can view various orders on the top. Simply swipe to the right end and here you can see SIPs. Click on the SIP button and then click on the add button on the bottom right corner. You can put in the SIP name as you wish. Then select the date from which you want your SIP to start. Select the frequency at which you want your orders to get executed. We have 4 types of frequencies: daily, weekly, every 15 days and monthly. Then put in the duration for how many days or weeks or months you want your order to be continued for. Then you can select the stock which you want to add. Type the stock name. Click on the add button. Here you have 2 options. You can either invest by quantity or amount. Select your quantity or amount and click on save. You can add multiple stocks. Again click on add, put in the criteria by which you want to invest and click on save. Lastly, swipe on create button to place your SIP orders.